In this video today, I will guide how to install the SQL Server 2017 Express on the Windows PC. Okay, open browser and go to the Microsoft.com website to download the install file. Okay, here. Click on download button here to get the file from the internet. Okay, click on this one, and here we have some installation type, and basically I will select the basic option. Okay, accept. You can see the license end of term, and click on accept button. Select the destination folder to set up the file on the local disk. Okay, it is downloading and installing the file on the Windows PC. Okay, finish installation successful. Okay, here, and you can copy some of the connection string and some configuration here. Click on install SMS here to install the management tool. It is the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. You can see some of the information of this tool. Okay, click on this one to download. Okay, click on the install. Okay, install button. Okay, so here you have to restart the PC to apply the change, or you can even able to restart it later on. Okay, here in the start menu we have a Microsoft SQL Server 2017, and we also have the management tool. Okay, and here I will send the shortcut to the desktop for this tool, because we will be using this many times in the later. Okay, running. By default we have to log in with the Windows authentication mode. Okay, and now next step I will guide how to enable the SA account for the SQL Server, and because when we install it the SA account is disabled. Okay, there are some example database install. Okay, go to security. We have a SA account is disabled. You can see in my screen. Right click on this one and go to property. Okay, you can change the password for this one and check the enforce password policy. Okay, change to any password here. Here, and here you have to enable the login. Okay, right click on the server name. Security, we have to change the server authentication to the SQL Server and Windows authentication mode. Okay, and here close this one and open the service.msc to restart the SQL Server service. Here it's running, and we have to restart it to apply the new update. Okay, back to SQL Server and change it to the SQL Server authentication SA and provide the password. Remember it. Okay, so here you can see we can go log into the SQL Server by using the SA account, and now I will go ahead to create a new database for testing. Okay, cool. And here, create a table. ID, name, and age. Okay. ID should be primary key and auto increment. Save it up. Table user. Okay, cool. Refresh this one. I will edit it in a top. Okay, so here I will try to enter some data into this table. Okay, so here for testing I will select it in the top 1000. Okay, type the query here for select data. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so the SQL Server seems working fine for now after we install it on the Windows PC. Okay, I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to download and install the SQL Server from the internet. And this is a SQL Server Express version, and you can do the same thing with another version of the SQL Server. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later. Happy coding.